Parts Man brings you Milwaukee's brushed and brushless 3/8 ratchet. Let's see the dimensions. Same tool. One is brushed, one is brushless. Both have the locking trigger. Both have LED lights that stay on after the fact. Both directional changes. The biggest difference is, of course, the size, dimensions, and the torque. I think there might be some change in the revolutions per minute, but that's here nor there. They both spin pretty quickly. Biggest thing again is the torque and the size differences. I think it's worth it. Hopefully you will too. That thing just kicks out like you wouldn't believe. This is no slouch either. So the kicking that versus the kicking this. Night and day. Night and day. And the Parts Man. Go pick it up. I'm going to have a few for sale. Check out my site.